everyone. In this video, I'll show you how you can log in with any WhatsApp account with manipulated QR code. So first, we need to generate that manipulated QR code. So let's start. Okay. So first, I need to create that QR code. Here I am using the QRL Jacker software. So using this, I can generate that QR code. So use this command python 3 and then QRL checker.py. Now first command you need to use list. Yes. Now use this command, use grabber / WhatsApp. Okay. Now use options. So this is the options you need to set host and set port. So set host and your Kali IP address. So my IP is 20.172.20.10.2. Okay, now hit enter, set port, and then suppose 80. I want to run, enter. Now open run command. It's done, so it's running. Now I need to open my IP address like this one in browser. So it's supposed to, here I'm typing. So it's 172.10.2. So this is the QR code actually. So I need to scan this QR code. So normally open WhatsApp and open WhatsApp web. Now try to scan with my QR code. So it's done. Now open, if I check my terminal, so here message is session saved successfully. Now I need to interact with that particular session. So here I type sessions space -l. So here is the list of sessions and last one is my session. So session ID, so sessions space -i, and then the value ID is 4 here, so 4. So now it's try to interact with my session and it's automatically open my web.whatsapp account. So this is my web.whatsapp account, you can see. Okay, so now can interact with this and send SMS and all, read the SMS also. Thank you. Thanks for watching. So next I'll update with more videos. Thank you.